Today's Excel tips and tricks is about how to fill blank cells in MS Excel. You could fill blank cells with values from cells above, below, left, and right. You could also fill the blank cells with specific text or even zero. Watch the entire video to see the examples of all types I mentioned. This is Srividya and you are watching Analytics channel. Now let us see how to fill blank cells with value in the above cell. Observe the data in the example. The state column has got some blank cells which needs to be filled with the value present in the cell above the range of blank cells. Now, to do that, select the cells in the state column. Next, press F5 to get Go to window. Click on Special button. You will find Go to Special options. Choose Blanks and click OK. Now this lets us select only cells that are blank. After we are done with this, press equal to in the active cell. Using up arrow key, choose the cell above the blank cell range. Now hold Ctrl and press enter. We are done with filling the blank cells from the value present in the above cell. Now let us see how to fill blank cells with value in the below cell. Observe the data in the example. The state column has got blank cells and you can also find some rows having total here with the state name. We need to fill these blank cells with the state name that is just below the blank cell range. To do that, you need to select the column D. Next, press F5. You will get Go to window. Click on Special button. You will have to choose Blanks option here and click on OK. Now you can see only blank cells have been selected. Now I have to shift my active cell just above the cell where the value is present. To do that, I keep pressing enter. Now that we have reached the cell where the value is present, I'll type equals. Using down arrow key, I'll choose the value and hold Ctrl and press enter. Now let us see how to fill blank cells with value in the left cell. In this example, we need to fill all the blank cells from the value present in the left side cell. To do that, let's select the entire data. Press F5, we'll get the Go to window. Click on Special button, we'll find Go to Special options. Let's choose blanks here and click OK. Now we need to press equals. Using left arrow key, I choose the value towards the left side. Now hold Ctrl and press enter. This fills the data from the left side cell to all the blank cells. Now let us see how to fill blank cells with value in the right cell. In this example, we need to fill the blank cells with the value present in the cell towards the right. To do that, we need to select the entire data. Press F5, click on Special option, choose blanks and click OK. Now, our active cell position needs to be shifted to the cell right next to the value. I use enter to shift the position of the active cell. Now let's press equals. Using right arrow key, I choose the cell with the value. Now holding Control, I press enter. This fills the blank cells with the value present in the right hand side. Now let us see how to fill blank cells with 0. In this example, we need to fill all the blank cells with a 0. To do that, let's select the entire data, press F5, click on Special button, choose blanks and click OK. You just have to type 0, hold Control and press Enter. You can see all cells have been filled, all blank cells have been filled with 0 now. Finally, let us see how to fill blank cells with a specific value. In this example, we need to fill all blank cells with a specific text. It is very similar to filling zeros in the blank cells. We just need to type text value instead of 0 here. To do this, we again have to select the entire data, press F5, click on Special button and choose blanks. Click OK. Now type the text that you want to print in all the blank cells. I give NA here. Now I hold Control and press Enter. You can see all blank cells have been filled with the text that I provided. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And if you wish to get more such interesting videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications about our new video uploads. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great time. This is Srividya signing off.